Welcome back, everyone, to the Sub 4 RA channel. I'm your host, Rhino, and we are finally ready for the April King of the Quarter Mile. And what a nice day it is for racing. Can we crown a new champ today? We will soon find out. As always, we're going to have a lot of familiar faces. Ken Castillo with 10 rides. Dirty Deeb with 5 rides. John Mueller with 5 rides. Dave Akers with the 1 ride catapult there, but there's more coming. Look at the treasure hunt Kenworth from Ken Castillo. Then we got the wild cards, MDG Racing, Akers, and Maxilla. Speaking of Maxilla, there's his dad, Red Pill with the strap there, the champ. Nick Devers, Dave Akers, #1 contenders. But we're also going to have a real riders title match. Ultimo Dragon, the title holder right now. And introducing the newest car in the NOS Racing YouTube Cup Series, Kiko Motorsports. All right, before we get to the King of the Quarter Mile festivities, the Ultimo Dragon, who won the Real Rider Championship at Racemania 1, will be waiting to see who he'll face between the 2 Impalas and Dave Akers' Dodge A100, which we saw in the March Madness tournament in 2018. All right, we'll be occupying lane 1, 2, and 3. First car to win 2 races will advance for a title shot. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Busy day for Dave Akers Customs. He wins that one. Boy, that Six Flags Impala sound like a hamster on a wheel. All right, one more win for Dave Akers Customs. Dodge A100 van will go on to face the Ultimo Dragon. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, a little bit tighter race there for Dave Akers Customs, but gets the win regardless, and will now face Ultimo Dragon. The first car or van to win 2 races will be your champ. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, Dave Akers Customs now 1 win away from winning the strap. 3, 2, 1, go. Just like that, folks, you'll never know when I'll reuse some of the cars that are sent in. This car was sent in over a year ago for the March Madness 2018 edition. Dave Akers Customs and the Dodge A100 van is now your Real Rider champion. Congratulations, Dave Akers Customs. All right, big day, busy day for Dave Akers Customs. Here he is back again in the Firebird Funny car, going up against Nick Devers' Ford F-Series pickup. First car to win 2 races will be the #1 contender and have a shot at the title, but not the Skrill. There's a good look at him. Akers in 1, Devers in 2. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Oh, the funny car was coming back. Wow, Dave Akers Customs was closing, but Nick Devers holds on. 1 more win away from a title shot. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh, what a race. Go. I tell you what, folks, it doesn't get any closer than this. as evidenced by the steals right here. Nick Devers wins by the most narrowest of margins. Congratulations, Nick Devers. All right, for those of you new to the King of the Quarter Mile, here's how it works. You send in one car still in the package that fits on the 6-lane raceway, race a scale quarter mile, and whoever wins will go on to face the champ. If you can beat the champ, you get all the money in the pot. You send in one car with $1. Right now, and largely due to Ken Castillo with his additional contributions, the pot is at 92 skrill. That's right, 92. Crazy. Thanks, Ken Castillo. All right, we have 4 heats today. Here's the first heat. The first car to win 2 races will advance on to the finals of the April King of the Quarter Mile. Ken Castillo has lanes 1 and 2, the Golf Truck and the Ridge Raider. He sent in the Ridge Raider last month, did really well, giving it another shot. Lane 3 in the T-Bird, Dirty Deeb. Lane 4 in the IndyCar is John Mueller. Lane 5 in the Catapult is Dave Akers Customs. And in lane 6, he had a wild card entry into here, free ride, Michael's Diecast Garage and Racing with Tire Fryer. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. All right, Michael's Diecast Garage and Racing perhaps getting a surprise win there. 1 win away now from the wild card, the free entry, the free ride to get on to the finals. Let's do it. Three, 2, 1, go. Wow. All right, I don't know if it was a surprise in your book. It is metal on metal, but I am surprised Tire Fryer will advance on to the April King of the Quarter Mile Finals. Congratulations goes out to MDG Racing. All right, here we go. Heat 2 up. Ken Castillo has lanes 1 through 3. Lane 1, that 41 Willys. I sure hope it fits on the track. Lane 2, the Pontiac Rageous. And in lane 3, he sent in a Governor last month. Did well. How well will this Governor do with the Ironman on it? Okay, lane 4, Dirty Deeb's Octane. Heard good things about that one. Lane 5 in the International Armored Car is John Mueller. And in lane 6, in the Sweet 16, it was a free ride by hitting the dice, or the die, at Vegas. Dave Akers Customs. Let's do it. The Willys doesn't fit. The pipes and the rear fenders. We'll have to save that for a different race sometime. Okay, at some point in time, after the truck series has started, we will race the larger cars. But for now, we'll have to put the 41 Willys back in the package and save it for another day. That means $1 less in the pot, 91 skrill. Still not a bad payday. Okay, we only have 5 cars now. First to win 2 will advance. Let's do it. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh man, almost went off the track. All right, Ken Castillo's Pontiac Rageous gets the win. 1 win away now. I tell you, these open wheel free rides are doing good. Dave Akers Customs was in there. All right, here we go. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh, Governor almost flips over. All right, Dave Akers Customs with a good job in that open wheeler, man. These free rides have proven to be fast today. However, this time, not fast enough, as the Pontiac Rageous, driven by Ken Castillo, gets the win and will go on to the finals. We will be right back after this message. Well, all I'm really going to say about that is that's about the coolest diecast racing accessory I've ever seen in my life. All right, we're going to move on. Heat 3, here we go. Lane 1 and the Ferrari Testarossa with the gold medal speed, Ken Castillo. And looking to become the 1.3039 parsec champion is that Millennium Falcon by Ken Castillo. Lane 3 in that Firebird Funny Car Hot Wheel Classics, Ken Castillo. Lane 4 in that blown Camaro. I believe it's blown. If it's not blown, it's looking pretty fast. We have Dirty Deeb. And in Lane 2, we've never seen a Hot Wheels Classic until this race. We got 2 of them in the 49 Merc, Dirty Deeb. And in Rise and Climb, we have John Mueller. Let's do it. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh. Wow, Red Pill is right. That Merc is a slug. One thing you have to remember about the champ, Red Pill Racing, he knows a lot about diecast cars. He called that 49 Merc a slug prior to racing, and he said that Firebird Funny Car, the Classics one specifically, takes a while to get up to speed. So far, he's batting 1,000, and that'll put you in the Hall of Fame. But this isn't baseball, this is racing. We're getting back to the track. One more win away for the Testarossa to advance. Gold medal speed! Three, 2, 1, go. All right, Ken Castillo came hard at this King of the Quarter Mile like he always does, and he's got 2 cars now to the finals. All right, here we go. 4th and final heat of the day. Lane 1, Ken Castillo and that Treasure Hunt Kenworth. Oh man, it's gonna be painful kind of open. At least I'm not too fond of the card art. All right, here we go. Lane 2, Ken Castillo in the Funny Car. Lane 3, Dirty Deeb in the Speed Machine. Lane 4 in the Sidekick, John Mueller. Lane 5 in the Tuned Vet, John Mueller. And in Lane 6, he got the free ride due to knocking the die off the block at the Vegas Motor Speedway and the YouTube Cup Series. Dave Akers driving the Quarter Mile Coupe. Let's do it. All right, guys, this one's gonna hurt a little bit. Treasure Hunt Kenworth, sent in by Ken Castillo for the King of the Quarter Mile April edition. Oy. All right, here we go. Trying to preserve the package a little bit. Oh man, this one stings. There it is. Coming up now, getting ready to race the King of the Quarter Mile from Ken Castillo. Races on Facebook under Not Your Dad's Garage. Wow, that's a nice one. Let's do it. All right, we got them stacked and ready to go. Now, let's do it. Three, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. Wow, those cars didn't even allow us time to take a picture of them resetting for the second race. Ken Castillo now in that Bonneville Bullet, it looks like, or Bullet, Bonneville Bullet, moving on to the finals of the April King of the Quarter Mile. That's his 3rd ride to advance. All right, let's give a rundown for everybody watching at home. And in Lane 1, in the Tire Fryer, it's a free ride. Michael's Diecast Garage and Racing. Lane 2, Pontiac Rages, Ken Castillo. Lane 3, Ferrari Testarossa, Ken Castillo. And Lane 4, Funny Car, Ken Castillo. He's got a good shot. First car here to win 2 will advance on to face Red Pill, the champ, and the number 1 contender, Nick Devers, in the Ford pickup. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo. All right, the Testarossa with the gold medal speed gets the win. 1 win away now from earning a title shot. Let's do it. How many times have I said let's do it? Three, 2, 1, go. All right, there it is, folks. Ken Castillo gets through the competition in April. Now he earns the right at a shot at the title and the 91 Skrill. He has to get through the number 1 contender, Nick Devers, in the Ford F-Series pickup, and your current king of the quarter mile in the Firebird funny car, Red Pill Racing. First car or truck to win 3 races goes home with the strap. Let's do it. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh. All right, Red Pill Racing with the first win. 2 wins away now from retaining his title. Three, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Ooh. Go. All right, something to factor in here. All right, we're not at a 1 apiece, Red Pill Racing and Ken Castillo. Keep in mind, in the YouTube Cup, Ken Castillo drives for Red Pill Racing. Could be interesting. Let's see what happens. Three, 2, 1, go. Ken Castillo picks up his second win and is now 1 win away from capturing the King of the Quarter Mile title and the 91 Skrill. They're already up. We aren't even going to get a picture of them at the starting line. Let's do this. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh. Go. Red Pill Racing ties it up at 2 apiece. We're going down to the 5th and perhaps final race, and us Nick Devers can get in this. We will either have a retainee of the title or a new champ. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. That's it. He did it. Ken Castillo is your new king of the quarter mile. He takes down boss Red Pill Racing. Frank Klein goes down in the Firebird funny car. We have a new champ in the Gold Medal Speed Edition Ferrari Testarossa. Ken Castillo from Not Your Dad's Garage Racing on Facebook. Congratulations, Ken. Let me know where to ship out that 91 Skrill. You earned it, buddy. All All right, guys, Victory Lane Podium brought to you by Dave Akers Customs. If it wasn't built by Dave, it was built by somebody else. Wow, in dramatic fashion, it's boss and employee essentially from the YouTube Cup, and the employee comes out on top. Hopefully there's not HE double hockey sticks to pay for Ken Castillo, but I think it's going to be all in good fun. He gets the win, the title, and the 91 Skrill in that Ferrari Testarossa, looking good on Dave Akers Custom. Whoa, I can recognize that laugh. There's our new Real Rider champion. It's the Anvil. I knew it. The Anvil. What is this? Laying down the challenge for Dave Akers Customs A100 van. The Anvil laying down the challenge. The first car or van to win 2 races is the champ. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. The Anvil felt like he should have been the Race-A-Mania champion. 1 win there. He's 1 win away from taking the belt. Three, 2, 1, go. Wow, what a program. We saw 2 different titles change the hands 3 times. We saw Dave Akers Customs win the Real Rider title. Then we see Ken Castillo win the King of the Quarter Mile. And then at the end, in an impromptu matchup, the Anvil takes the title away from Dave Akers Customs A100 van. Woo! I'm spent. Whoa, hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Comment down below your thoughts. Congratulations to the winners. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. And we'll see you at the next one.